Hey guys, how's it going? Right now I'm here in Cairo, taking a walk across the Nile. This is just going to be a short video. I just want to outline a common scam to hopefully help someone avoid it. So while you're walking around in Cairo, especially in the touristy areas, excuse me, you'll be regularly approached by different guys. They'll walk up to you and ask you where you're from, where you staying, how long you've been in Cairo, basically just trying to be your best friend. A lot of these guys claim to work for the museum. They'll tell you that they're an artist, and maybe they'll invite you to check out their studio. They're really just scammers. Their goal is to bring you to their shop and try to sell you some souvenirs or some touristy stuff, overpriced stuff. But these guys are extremely aggressive. They will not take no for an answer. They'll follow you around, continue asking you questions, just generally being annoying. I had one of these guys following me for like 4 blocks earlier today. So if you start a conversation with them, just kind of keep that in mind. Like, they seem pretty harmless, really. They're just trying to take you to their shop. But yeah, if you want to get away from them, they will just follow you. My advice is just to pretend these guys don't exist. Just keep walking. If they start talking to you, ignore them. It's rude, but it's really the best way to deal with the situation. If you are susceptible to scams, I would advise you not to talk to these guys at all. They're extremely good salesmen. Like, it's impressive. Anyway, that's a common scam here in Cairo. When these guys approach you, they're not just being friendly, they're just scammers. I think, well, anyway, hope that helps someone. Thanks for watching.